All right. So we're gonna start this here moto vlog. We're just gonna go try and do some burnouts today. I got my bike fixed. I crashed it twice, both times in the city, and we're just gonna go and see how it goes. You know, we're gonna go and try and break her back in because fuck crashing and shit like that. So, yeet. But yeah. Gonna go to a lot and maybe just practice some burnouts and try to do something cool. See what happens. Who knows? Who knows? Do. So yeah. Honestly though, crashing sucks. I would like to maybe do like a video series on like, I don't know, maybe something to do with crashing and like rebuilding a bike. I don't know. Just gotta diagnose like what's wrong with it. As long as the check engine light is off and your frame isn't cracked or whatever and your engine runs fine. I mean, it's just mostly cosmetics, and at that point you just gotta look at it and tear it apart. But what do I know, right? Probably not a whole lot. Do. Ooh, yeah. Also gotta go get some gas too, but we're gonna try and make this video maybe a how-to learning experience, because I've never really done a burnout before. First time I tried to do a burnout was last night, and it didn't go that well. So I said to myself, I'm gonna do it today, and damn it, that's what we're doing today. Is we're gonna go back over here and just do some burnouts. Do. Yeah, fuck it. We'll just go back over there. All right. Well, the back tire is already warmed up. Let's give her a try. Yeah, a little baby one. Yeah, there you go. Got him. Oof. And then you stall it out, because that's how it is. Little baby marks. Alright, let's do this one more time. Stalling will happen. And that's a Bernie. Not bad. Not bad for a first time. Not bad at all. Sprocket definitely helps. Sprocket definitely helps. Well, so when you do your burnouts, make sure you got good front brakes, back tire's all good. Don't put too much air in it because it'll pop, blah, blah, blah. Let the clutch out. Careful, make sure it doesn't slip too much. Wait for the tire to start grabbing and then rip it. You know, you got to really have like more thumb control and more finger control with that. Little sketched out by that area, not going to lie. And I didn't know how the bike would handle doing aggressive things. I mean, it's a Yamaha, it should handle it, but I mean, it's went down a couple times, so. Oh, I hope this little video was good for you guys. I hope you all enjoy it. It's not too wild, and I totally forgot I gotta go get gas, so I gotta loop back around. Oops. But yeah, I think this is where I'm gonna cut the video out, and yeah, we'll just see what's up next time when we go riding and stuff. So I hope everybody has a great day. Thank you.